Hello and welcome. It is Nomadic Shaman here. Thank you for visiting my page. Today's video is centered around the Black Hawk helicopter and American Airlines plane crash that took place on January 29th in Washington, D.C. So I'm going to share with you some of the downloads that I received. So here we go. The first word that I heard was sacrifice. Second word was purging and cleansing, followed by divine's will, followed by thy will be done. Give us this day our daily bread. And the last three words I heard was insidious, nefarious, and to kill a mockingbird. If anybody has read that book, you know where I'm coming from. You know what I'm putting down. If you haven't, Google what that reference means, okay? So then I asked Spirit, what can I share with the collective from a much more higher state of consciousness? Okay, so heightened. And so one thing that they wanted me to share is what took place on that day is rippling. Okay, the effects of it is rippling, not only on planet Earth, but I'm talking about all the way up through the ethers. Okay, it has an impact. If I spin it, one of the positive attributes of this rippling effect is, if I use the word sacrifice from a higher perspective, is that there's a traumatic event that took place, but now requires people to step back, to reevaluate, to reassess in order to make better decisions moving forward. Okay. And I was told that that's not only going to impact or affect people physically, it will mentally, it will emotionally, and it definitely will spiritually. Okay, so in that sense, sacrifice for the greater good from a much higher perspective, Spirit wanted me to share that with you. However, in the earlier portions of my video, when I spoke about sacrifice, I was referring to the lower vibrational aspect of it, okay? Divinators, those who practice divination, I implore you to dig deep, because there's a lot of information that is withheld, that will be withheld by way in or omitted by way of the media. So I implore you, for those who have the gift of divination, to tap in and you can see for yourself what is truly going on or what truly transpired. Okay, so that wraps up my time here. Feel free to comment, like, share, and follow. And until the next one, I'm out.